Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noatira binti Muafarid. My material number is CF220213. So for this video, me and other group member will present about project of contract and estimation, and we are from group 5. So this is our content. We will explain about organization chart, our company, our goals, background of company, mission and vision, project cost estimation, quantity measurement, build of quantity with upgrade, and lastly is performance bond and LAD. So here is my group member, Nur Shahida, Nurani Shahidina, Nurul Ashikin, and Nur Izati.
Hello and good evening. My name is Nurul Ashim Zakaria and my matrix number is CF22025. So in this slide, I will talk about the organization chart of our company. So the project manager is Nur Shahida, site leader is Nur Izati, engineer is Nur Danisha, construction engineer is Nur Akira, and lastly, architect is Nurul Ashikin. Next, for the next slide is about Berlima Construction. So our company name is Berlima Construction. So Berlima Construction is a company registered in Malaysia and located in Batu Pahat, and it is established on 1 November 2014. And it offers services such as the development of civil engineering works in the construction of building contract and civil engineering related projects such as project management, building construction, and infrastructure renovation and consultant. And our company has extensive experience in building consultant, infrastructure, and so on, and can undertake building construction and civil engineering construction project of any size. Next, this is our company goals. So firstly, it is to ensure that the work is being properly executed and that the project is progressing in accordance with the predefined project schedule. Secondly, engage with local communities, support social initiative, and contribute positively to the areas where construction projects are undertaken. Thirdly, maintain a healthy financial status by managing budget effectively, controlling expenses, and generating sustainable profits. Fourthly, ensure that all safety issues and training requirements are addressed and completed by the site superintendent on a weekly basis. And lastly, it is to provide all other labor, equipment, tools, and service vehicles and material necessary for the full and satisfactory completion of the work. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Shahida binti Omar Isof. My matric number is CF220219. So today I will introduce about our company background. So our company base name is Berlima, which is BER5 contraction in English. And our company is located at Selangor, which is the full address is number 8 Jalan PJU 8 stroke 8A Bandar Damansara Perdana 7820 Petaling Jaya, Selangor. So if you have any inquiries, you can call us on our phone number, which is 03-7491-96299. And for any document sending or any email you want to send, you guys can send by berlima@gmail.com. And lastly, for our website, by searching and berlimaconstruction.com. As we per known, all the company have their own mission and vision. So for ours is Berlima Construction is an important partner in development of civil engineering project for building construction contract and other civil engineering project that related. So we are complete during the establishment by housing, park, school, district office, complex maintenance, and moreover the frequency work on development project for major company. So our mission is to consistently provide the best high quality to the client for creative building solution at competitive price, and for our vision to achieve excellence in the time, completion of value-added project and to become the client first choice. For the last part presentation, I will explain about project cost estimation, which is we use for the technique of preliminary estimating. So firstly, we have the 114 thickness for big wall and 18 millimeter thickness plaster. So we have to combine the amount. So we get 114 plus 18 equal to 132 millimeter. So if you want to make the cost tally with the drawing, we have to divide by 1000. So we got 0.132 m per square. So our first price rate is 2590.27 and 3300.29. Sorry, 330.29. So firstly, we calculate for the flow area method, which is the formula is length times width. So the length is 6.706 minus by 2 of the uh, thickness and of the thickness big wall and plaster. So 0.132 divided by 2 times width 9.144 minus 2 0.132 divided by 2, so equal by 59.245 meter per square. So the total cost for floor area method is the price rate 2490.27 times by floor area method. We got an 145,758.70. Next, for the second method, we use building volume method, which is the formula C plus B plus A over 2, which is A over 2 is slope or pitches roof. So the formula is L times W times H, length, width, height. And for the length, 9.144 plus 2, 0.132 divided by 2, and then the width, 6.706 plus 2, 0.132 divided by 2, and then for the height, 0.125 plus 3.048 plus 1 over 2, 1.748. And then for the final answer, we get 256.53 meter per cube. So the price is 330.29. So we times by the answer for the building value method. So we get 256.54 times 330.29 equal by 84,732.60. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nurdanisha Irinda binti Umar Haizal. My matrix numbers is CF220203. I will explain about quantity measurement. What is quantity measurement? Quantity measurement, also known as taking off, is to calculate quantity of material and excavation referred to architectural and structural drawing to estimate the project cost for fill in the bill of quantity. In the quantity measurement, we have excavation, removal, binding, formwork, steel reinforcement, hardcore, and DPM. Okay, for the excavation, we have 4 types, which is topsoil. Our topsoil, we got 7.906 meter square for 10 meter distance and 79.065 meter square for 100 millimeter deep. And for the formation level, we got 13.836 meter cube. For pad footing, we got 15.984 meter cube for the maximum depth and 1.598 meter cube for the provision. For the ground beam, we got 0.552 meter cube from the formation level and 0.042 meter cube for the provision. Okay, next we move to removal. Removal for excavated material, which is 0.150 meter cube, and blinding concrete work is 2.650 meter cube from the site and excavation, and also 0.670 meter cube for the column stump. Next is formwork. Formwork, which we have 3 material, which is foundation and beds, we got 57.6 meter, and ground beam 35.380 meter, column stump 5.7 meter cube. For the steel reinforcement, we need to find the pad footing, column stump, link, work below lower floor finishing, and stirrups. Pad footing we got 261.12 meter, column stump we got 61.920 meter, links we got 0.768 meter, work below lower floor finishes, WBLFF we got 71.9 meter, and stirrups we got 172.64 meter. And lastly, for the hardcore and DPM. Hardcore and DPM we have three material, which is WBLFF, internal floor finishes, and roofing finishes. WBLFF we got 56.650 meter square. Internal floor finishes we got 987.33 meter square. And lastly, for the roofing finishes we got 323 meter square. Okay, next is bill of quantity. Bill of quantity is list of project specific measured quantity, which is our total cost is 16,865 ringgit and 83 cent. Okay, for the first description is excavation. Excavation for topsoil we got 115 ringgit 19 cent, and for the formation level we got 124 ringgit and 52 cent, and for the pad footing for the maximum depth we got 147 ringgit 5 cent, and provision we got 125 ringgit 84 cent, and for the ground beam for the from the formation level we got 5 ringgit and 7 cent, and provision we got 3 ringgit 31 cent. Okay, next for the blinding and concrete. For excavation from site we got 477 ringgit 27 cent, and in the column stump we got 120 ringgit 97 cent.
Next is formwork. So we have the complete foundation, ground beam, and column stump. For foundation, the quantity is 57.60 meter, and the amount is 1,977 ringgit and 41 cent. And then the ground beam, the quantity is 35.38 meter, and the amount is 1,214 ringgit and 60 cent. And for the column stump, 5.7 meter square. The amount is 195 ringgit 68 cent. Next is the reinforcement. So for the reinforcement, we have to find the quantity for pad footing, column stump, link in column stump, bar in foundation, and ground beam. So for pad footing, the quantity is 261.12 kilogram, and the amount is 1,096 ringgit and 70 cent. And for the column stump is the quantity is 61.92 kilogram, so the amount is 260 ringgit point 6 cent. And then the links in column stump is the quantity is 9 kilogram, so the amount is 40 ringgit 50 cent. And for the bar in foundation, the quantity is 94.46 kilogram, so the amount is not 397 ringgit point 32 cent. And the last is ground beam. The quantity is 172.64 kilograms, so the amount is 776 ringgit and 88 cent. Next is removal for excavated material. The quantity is 0.15 meter cubic, and the amount is 3 ringgit 77 cent. And for hardcore and DPM, the quantity is 56.65 meter square, and the amount is 266.26 cent. And then for internal floor finishes, the quantity is 987 pieces, and the amount is 6,909 ringgit. And for roofing finishes, the quantity is 323 pieces, and then the amount is 1,615 ringgit. So we have to total all of the amount, and we get the total cost is 16,865 ringgit and 83 cent.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzati binti Ismaruddin. My metric number is CF
2202175. Okay, I'm as a site leader in this project. So today I want to present about build up rate. Okay, in this project, there are two type of build up rate that we need to calculate. First is build up rate for soil excavation. The other one is build up rate for concrete. For build up rate 1 meter cube soil excavation, first we need to calculate total depth, excavation and volume of excavation to get the total cost of excavation, which is RM 11 ringgit 79 cent. After that, cost for spreading up in making level, we got 52 cent. Cost for filling and ramming was 2 ringgit 91 cent. Cost of cutting away remainder load was 1 ringgit 89 cent. Then we need to calculate the 20% profit. So we got 1 ringgit 40 cent per meter cubic. So cost of 1 meter cubic excavation is 8 ringgit 39 cent. Then for build up rate of 1 meter cubic selected concrete grade using concrete mixer. In this part, we need to calculate the material cost, labor cost, equipment cost, and total cost. In material cost, we need to get the total cost of material for 4 meter cubic with 50% wastage. So we got 274 ringgit. Then total for labor cost was 37 ringgit 50 cents, which is 3 hours for concrete mixing multiple with worker salary per 4 hours. After that, total for equipment cost was 3 ringgit per meter cubic. Thus, the total cost concrete of 1 meter cube with 20% profit was 385 ringgit 80 cent.
Next is performance bond and LAD. So in construction, performance bond known as a contract bond, which is a guarantee in the completion of the contract according to its term of scope and time. So the formula for performance bond is contract sum multiplied by 5%. So contract sum we get from total of bill of quantity. Then we get 16,865 ringgit 83 cent multiple 5%, and then we get 843 ringgit and 29 cent. Next is LAD. LAD is stand for liquidated asset damage, which is it's designed to cover any predicted losses which is might occur as a result of a project delay or overrunning. So formula to calculate LAD is BLR, which is base lending rate multiplied by contract sum and then divide by 365 days. So our contract sum is 16,865 ringgit 83 cent, and then our BLR is 6.70%. So LAD 6.70%, we multiply by 16,865 ringgit 83 cent, and then we divide by 365 days. So we get 2 ringgit 1 cent. Actually BLR for 6.70% too we get from RHB Bank. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.